Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a disappearing or flicker on your taskbar in Windows 11. So the first thing to do, make sure your taskbar not in auto hide. And also, in order to fix it, you can try to open Task Manager. Just right click on the taskbar, or you can hold Ctrl Alt Delete and you can click on Task Manager. Here you can click on Run New Task and you can open Explorer. So you can click OK, and also you can try to type Explorer at here, the search. You can type this one, Explorer. So you can right click and click on Restart Windows Explorer. So I hope your taskbar is run normally after you restart Windows Explorer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.